Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's YouTube video, I'm going to be sharing with you Christmas ideas for her, and they are going to be for either like a girlfriend, wife, sister, friend, anything like that for girls. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys some really cheap ideas if you're looking to not spend a ton of money on Christmas gifts this year, because either like you're trying to save up for something else or you're a broke university student like me. And near the end of the video, I'm going to be mentioning some bigger Christmas gift ideas that are more expensive if you just want to go for one big gift versus like multiple smaller gifts. So if you're interested in hearing my gift ideas for her, then just keep on watching. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to be starting off with the cheaper Christmas gift ideas. So number one is going to be a cute Christmas movie marathon. And this idea doesn't really involve like any money at all. This idea would definitely be better for a girlfriend, and you can invite them over, have a whole bunch of cute blankets set up, and just go on Netflix and binge watch a whole bunch of cute Christmas movies. And that's pretty much priceless and a great experience if you're really not looking to spend any money on Christmas gifts this year. If you guys are both doing like a mutual, like you agree not to get gifts, then this would be still a cute Christmas idea to do something sweet for your partner and just invite them over for a really cute Christmas movie marathon. Number two is going to be a love letter. And this is also one that's more related to a relationship, like a girlfriend, but this could also be for a mom if you're writing something for your mom, like a letter about how much you appreciate her. Or you could even write this like a letter like that to your sister or your friend, I guess, but I see it as like even just a really heartfelt, sweet letter that's like handwritten would be something that's like super cheap, pretty much has no cost to it, and it can be super meaningful. And if you wanted to do something even more special, you could even get a picture frame and frame the letter and give it to her. And it pretty much doesn't take much effort to do that, or money at all, and it's a super cute Christmas idea that's going to be really personal. Number three is flowers. You can't go wrong with giving flowers to a girl. I don't know a single girl that doesn't like flowers, and they're relatively cheap. You could just go to the grocery store and pick them up, get like a little bundle of them. You don't have to get like a really expensive dozen roses or something. If you know the girl that you're shopping for, her favorite flower, that would be a great idea to pick up too. It can be more personal and also like very cheap. So number four is a basket of candy, and you could get like a cute Christmas basket and just fill it up with a whole bunch of chocolates and candy. And this could just be done by going to the dollar store, and this could be a really cheap gift idea, and it could look like you put a lot of effort into it, and really like it's just one stop to the dollar store and you could get the basket and all the candy and stuff from there. I don't know if you guys remember, but around Halloween time the whole spooky basket thing was going around, so this would kind of be like a Christmas twist on that and be like a Christmas basket. And if you guys just got each other like a basket and filled it up with some cute little things, that would be a relatively cheap idea also. For number five, Polaroid pictures are a really good idea. This can be a bit expensive though if you don't have a Polaroid camera or a Polaroid printer. I have a Polaroid printer, and honestly it was the best. I think I got it for Christmas actually a couple years ago. Best Christmas gift ever. But that is pretty expensive. It's not really that cheap. But if you do have one already, that would be a great idea for a gift. It's printing off a whole bunch of Polaroid pictures of the two of you. And what I've done in the past is I got a canvas just from, like, you can get them from the dollar store. I painted it black and then stuck on Polaroid pictures onto it so it could be like hung on the wall like and used as a decoration. Or even just printing off Polaroid pictures to put in somebody's wall would be super sweet. Or even just like putting it in a card. I just think that they're very like cute and personal. You can also write the date on the bottom of the Polaroid, and then it has more of it like a significant meaning. So that's a cute idea. Idea number six is fuzzy socks. You cannot go wrong with a pair of fuzzy socks for a girl, especially around Christmas time. Like, what the heck? Like, I literally live in fuzzy socks. You can get them pretty much from just about anywhere. A really good place to shop for fuzzy socks is Chapters. They have the softest, cutest Christmas fuzzy socks. They are definitely a bit more expensive, so if you're looking for something cheaper, like literally Walmart, like I'm sure the dollar store has them too if you're really that tight for money, but if you're looking for a really decent pair, I would definitely recommend Chapters. So number seven is a pretty personal one, and it could be a photo album of the two of you. So this would work for, like I said, either like a sister, friend, mother, girlfriend. It could really work for either. Just go through obviously like the pictures you have together, print them off. You could, if you don't have your own printer, go to Walmart. They do it for relatively cheap, and just get a really cute picture album. What am I saying? And then all you need is a photo album and to fill it up with that. And there, like, that's a really cute Christmas idea. You could just wrap a little bow around it and bam, there's your gift. Idea number 8 is a heating pad. And I got this idea because that's what my mom gave me for my birthday, and it is like literally my favorite thing. Even if it's not that time of the month, a heating pad filled with some hot water just feels so good, especially because it's so cold all the time. If you just fill it up with hot water and put it on your stomach or like hold it or put it in your bed, it heats up your bed super quick. Like, there's a little tip for you. And they have really cute ones, again, at Chapters. I'll leave a picture on the screen here of the one I got for my birthday. Super cute. Idea number 9 is getting them stuffed animals, and it could be something like literally just going to Walmart and picking up like a cute Christmassy stuffed animal that says like 2019 on it. That would be something cute to collect if it's like a relationship and you guys have been together like so many years, and like every year at Christmas you get her one that says like the year. That would be like a really cute, like memorable gift idea. Or even just like any stuffed animal, they're just cute. And then the person you're buying for will remember you when they're sleeping with it, or like if they have it in their bed, they're gonna think of you. Bam, you're welcome. So number 10 is soft blankets. And I feel like this idea kind of goes along with the fuzzy socks and the heating pad. It's all kind of like the same thing. It's just like staying comfortable and warm during the winter. You just can't really go wrong with that. That's a pretty safe bet. And like, once again, I swear this is not sponsored by Chapters, but like Chapters has some really nice fuzzy blankets. And again, they can be more expensive, but you can also get cheaper fuzzy blankets. Like, you could really just pick them up from anywhere, like just going to Walmart, and they have super soft ones. Like, it doesn't have to be something really expensive, but like if you want to go full out, Chapters is where to go for some fuzzy soft blankets. You won't regret it. Idea number 11 is candles or anything from Bath & Body Works. Any girl will literally die for that stuff. Like at Bath & Body Works, they have like hand creams, like hand soaps, body washes, candles, like everything you could think of. Anything from there would be like amazing for a girl. And if you know their favorite scent from there, that's even better if you wanted to pick that up. But honestly, like, that's a pretty good place to go, especially around Christmas time. They have really good deals. They usually have one like buy 3 get 3 free for like body mist, or they have like buy 1 get 1 free, or buy 1 get 1 50% off for like candles and stuff. So it's definitely a great place to go for Christmas shopping. So number 12 is a pretty obvious one most people probably think about around Christmas time, and that is just jewelry. This can be good for anyone you're buying for that's a girl. Like, you could get them a ring, bracelets, a charm for their Pandora bracelet, or a necklace or some earrings. Those are usually very sentimental. A good idea would be getting your name or your initials on a necklace and giving that to them. That would be very personal. I think the whole idea of Christmas shouldn't be to just like get somebody like a whole bunch of gifts. It should be about like being personal and getting something that is going to like mean something to them. So that's why I try to think like, yeah, if you got your name or initials or something like that, or if you got like their birthstone on a ring, just something that's more personal, you know, than just like picking up anything. Number 13 is any skincare gift sets from Sephora. They have great gift sets during the holidays. If you just go on the Sephora app, you can look at them all. They have amazing gift sets, and they consist of like skincare, usually like bunched together. Like they have Ole Henriksen gift sets, and they have a ton more and Glam Glow is a really popular one too. And they can be relatively cheap. You usually save about like at least $50 on getting the gift set bundle. They make it like cheaper if you buy it as like a set versus getting the product separately, so that's a good idea. And they usually come wrapped in pretty cute boxes, so you really wouldn't have to do that much. And just to tie along with that idea, number 14 is just makeup in general. But obviously this isn't really going to be the case for every girl. Not all girls wear makeup and are like into that, but it's a good idea if they are. I'm someone who I have a makeup collection addiction, and any makeup is a blessing for me. Obviously that's different for everybody. Like not everyone's into makeup. And a good idea is if you know that they have the Sephora app on their phone, it's good to ask them, like if they let you, log into their Sephora account on your phone, so then you can see what they put in their cart or their wish list, and then you could pick up those things for them. Or you could just steal their phone and look at it, but I mean that's also a little bit crazy, but like a good idea. Number 15 is perfume. This can sometimes be a little bit pricey if you're going to somewhere like Shoppers to buy like a really nice perfume, but it can also be like very meaningful because then every time they wear it, they're gonna think of you. And I can't really think of a girl that doesn't like perfumes. Like I have a perfume collection. It's just an idea. Number 16 is a purse. Not every girl obviously is like a purse collector. I feel like that's a really good idea for mom. I should definitely probably get my mom a new purse this year. She has a huge purse collection and she can never have enough. I personally, I'm not a huge purse person. I just have one and I pretty much use it all the time. But if your significant other, whoever you're shopping for, does like purses and likes to collect them, you could see like whatever company they obviously like to shop for. Like if they like Michael Kors purses or Guess purses, then you could pick up one like that. And if that's kind of out of your price range, you could even just get them like a cute wallet. Like girls always need a new wallet. My wallet is getting beat up. Number 17 is concert tickets. And this is definitely more expensive, and obviously the price range will depend on who you're going to see. But like for example, one of my friend's boyfriends got her Harry Styles concert tickets and she was super happy about that. That is one of her like favorite singers, and it gets a really cute idea. Obviously the price is like really gonna vary on who you're seeing, but if you want to get them like one big gift, concert tickets would be a good idea. Number 18 is lingerie, and this is obviously just one for like a significant other that you're shopping for, like a girlfriend. And if you're getting them lingerie, it's pretty much like a gift for you, if you know what I mean. Like you get them lingerie and they wear it for you and you get to see them wearing it, so like that's a good idea. And really good places to go for that are La Senza. La Senza has some really good ones, and also Victoria's Secret also has some really good lingerie. That one can be a little bit hard though if you don't really know their size, like what they would be. So that one can be a little bit risky, but if you know their size like relatively, then it's a good idea. Number 19 is basically just like think of the person's interest. Like it's kind of broad, this one, but like for example, if you know that they're into photography or like filming videos or YouTube like me, that SD cards are the way to go. You can never have too many SD cards. And if your girl's like a gamer girl, you can get her a gaming controller, a SCUF controller. That's a good idea, but can be a bit expensive. Or just like even going to like EB Games. And if your girl is into art, you can get them art supplies. Like Michael's is a really good place for that. If they're like into drawing, painting, anything like that, definitely Michael's is the place to go. And if your significant other is into sports or something, sports related goods are always good. For example, like if they're a runner, a pair of running shoes, or if they're a hockey player, you really want to go full out, get them a hockey stick. Really up to you, like depending on what your price range really is. And number 20 is a puppy, because like who does not want to get a puppy on Christmas? Is that not like the most cliche thing out there? Like I don't know, but who wouldn't want to get one? If someone surprised me with a puppy on Christmas, I would be bawling my eyes out. Like, oh my god, if someone's watching this looking what to get me for Christmas, please get me a puppy. I would actually love that so much, and I'm sure my parents wouldn't approve, but like I approve. Please get me a puppy. Oh my god, there's something in my eye. Oh my god. Whew, okay, I'm back. There was just a hair on my eyeball and that really hurt, so I had to get her out. But yeah, that is pretty much it for my Christmas gift ideas for her. The only thing I want to make sure to mention is Christmas don'ts is definitely, I would recommend not getting gift cards. I find they're not very personal, or like money. I mean, like that's great and all, but like I just find that's not very personal and not really the point of Christmas. And also clothing is like an iffy kind of thing, because I feel like if you really don't know the person's style, or if the person hadn't pointed out like they wanted this certain piece of clothing, then I wouldn't get it, just because like sizing varies in all different stores, and also like style is just very different. So that's like a risky, it's a risky option. And like, yeah, like I said, unless they pointed out and said they wanted this specific piece of clothing, I would probably recommend staying away from that. But yeah, that's pretty much all for my video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe. Also, I'm going to be probably filming some more Christmas related videos over my Christmas break. I was thinking about maybe doing a Christmas party or New Year party outfit idea video. I thought maybe, we'll see. Also, I wanted to do some Christmas makeup looks. That would probably be something I'd be interested in filming for you guys. But if you have any other Christmas related video ideas, just comment them down below. And I will try to film them if I'm able to. But yeah, thanks again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.